Hello my friends, I have another template for you for Davinci Resolve Fusion. I found cool tutorial on JRTV YouTube channel and decided to recreate it and modify it. Let me show you example and after that I will show you how to use it. Links for files will be on my blog and link for my blog and tutorial will be under the video in video description. Okay, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library and folder where you extracted your files. And then just drag intro, start or end. You will get the two files, one for start and one for end. And in the middle you can just make a static picture because this will allow you to render much faster. So just click on group and then you will get this like that. And here I made already here explanations where you get pictures and text. Mouse is just imported SVG file, and you can increase the size by adjusting resolution. This is the mouse. Double click on mouse here, background, and then you adjust the resolution 128, and then we go double in size if you want. You can adjust the color. It's all up to you. So this is the mouse. Here is subscribe. All this you can change. And media in, this is the picture. You can just drag the picture what you want, and resize will change the resolution. Background for the whole composition is here, gradient. Also you can change like that. And for this text, you just change what you want. This is the scrolling text, go from the right side to the left. This one, my name, you can change to whatever you want. And three text, these three text you can also change. For the end, just drag, connect, double click or ungroup, just like that. And then you can adjust everything. It is the same. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.